Today I want to talk about an interesting topic that I'm always kind of focusing on. As you know, I'm always a fan of finding digital marketing innovations, and that's why I have always been kind of looking at AR and VR marketing as possibly the next big thing. And last year I really thought that augmented reality marketing is going to be a game changer. Why? Because suddenly we saw the Facebook and Instagram face filter API being opened up. We saw a lot of face filters coming up for Instagram stories, also Facebook stories, and kind of a lot of movement in this field where brands started to also have branded filters. If you remember, I did an attempt to create a branded filter as well. It was one of the Fail Smarter videos earlier this year. Didn't go so well, but I saw huge potential in it back then. But now, kind of 1 year later, after this initial surge of face filters, I'm wondering if it's really become such a big thing, because these days I only see quite rarely branded face filters coming up, and also in general, from my point of view, I see a lot less Instagram users use these kind of fancy, funny face filters. These days, I think there's a tendency back towards the beautifying filters and those kind of regular filters, but not so much these filters with a lot of action happening, with a lot of possibility for branded content. This is purely based on empirical research so far. I have not found any decent statistics on it. Perhaps you have some. If so, then send me them in the comments. But my belief is that for now, the initial hype around face filters might have already ended. And the big question is going to be, are they going to be back for brands? Are brands going to be using them again for a more conversion-driven effort perhaps? Or is this initial surge of AR marketing now over, and the next thing we're going to see is a totally different technology? This is a really interesting topic because I truly do not have any answer on this. I have some experience with projects where the face filters are now definitely having less interactions than half a year ago, but it's a little bit too early to say if this is really statistically relevant. So if you have any interesting data on this, please let me know. And if you have thoughts on the future of face filter marketing and AR marketing, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to see what other people think about this.